Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Lindsay and we are a family vlogging channel. If that makes sense, we are a family who vlogs. I took like a year and a half off of YouTube, but it's 2025, new year, new me. We do want to make a comeback. So I promised all my friends that I wasn't gonna like start off a video like this, but I feel like I have to. Just putting it out there because there is a lot of videos that we have recorded in the past. So I am a mom. I'm 32 years old. I have an 8-year-old daughter who is this little girl right here. Her name is Grecia, and you guys will be seeing a lot of her, a lot of my husband when he's off of work. And yeah, today we just decided to bring you guys along. We're gonna go pick up some groceries,
pick up some pizza.
She asked for pizza. And we'll just see what else we do throughout our day today. It is Friday, January 3rd, so we did start off the new year strong. I'm going to write a grocery list so that we can make sure that we get just what we need and that only. This lip oil, you guys, it's the best thing ever. My hair looks weird, but it's the Beauty Creations watermelon lip oil. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. What else? There has been a lot of changes that have gone on with us within the year that we stopped vlogging. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, like knowing about, then let me know and I can like fill you guys in, because that's gonna be a video within itself. That's gonna be so long to explain, but we are living our best life. We are very happy where we're at with the changes that have been made. So like I said, we're going to make a list. I'm going to ask Grecia to take the dishes out of the dishwasher so that I can put this stuff in there so that I can wash while we're out and about. Make a grocery list and then we will be on our way. So let's go. I think the first place that we're gonna go to is either H-E-B because it's right here. Are done.
I got rainbow popcorn and I got strawberry boba.
So we just finished with the groceries. Sorry, go ahead. But I will do a haul once we get home.
Because we couldn't do the list, recording, and putting the stuff in at the same time.
You open it? For us to take it upstairs. If there's one thing that I find crazy living like in a city, it's how busy the stores can get real fast. I get anxiety because I don't know, it just gets real crazy real fast.
Yeah.
Toys.
You guys, let's go guys. Come on. Okay. How did you guys get in here?
We're gonna order pizza because
we're starving Marvin.
We haven't had breakfast or anything like that.
So we're gonna eat brunch.
So I'm gonna order a triple treat box from Pizza Hut, which is 2 medium pizzas with cheese sticks and the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. All right.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
That's huger than I thought.
Girl, what did we order?
God. It's supposed to be 2? What did it say? What does it say?
Triple treat box.
Right here, on the side. It says naughty or nice. We all get the slide.
I'm gonna scoot forward just to make sure. I'm gonna make sure that we got what it is that I wanted.
Yeah.
So.
Because sometimes they do us dirty.
Well, no. Last time that we ordered pizza, they gave us Not pan pizza.
Not pan.
Okay. Hold on. Alright, we got our food.
Yum.
And that didn't take long at all whatsoever. I'm gonna go back out this way. And we're on our way home. We will see you guys once we're inside the house. I'm not gonna take this stuff down just yet. I'm only gonna take down these 2 bags. So just keep in mind that the chips, the 2 waters, the sodas, and the maruchas are gonna stay in the truck. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got right now. Oh my god, it is hot. It's like cold outside, but it's hot in here because I turned off the air. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out of the bags and then I guess just show you guys as I'm going. I don't know, girl. I got paper plates, frozen chicken dinosaur nuggets, frozen spicy chicken patties, mini corn dogs. The next bag, Valentine's Day heart sugar cookies, which are our favorites, strawberry yogurt, some cut up pineapple, stir crunch, Jordan almonds, 2 things of chocolate fudge Pop-Tarts, 4 cans of white corn, pack of razors, some EOS hand cream. I also got some sugar wafers, some vanilla, and some strawberry because I don't know why my dad would always buy these, and for some reason I've had him on my mind very heavily, especially yesterday. I feel like around the holidays he would always buy the chocolate covered cherries, and I have some of those in my fridge also because he would just always buy them and I miss him so much, and so I had to get some. We forgot to buy weenies for the hot dogs. We got hot dog bread, cosmic brownies, 3 of these cheddar broccoli rice sandwich bags, some plastic utensils. I got Grecia a bunch of these s'mores dippers because she's been obsessed with s'mores lately, and I feel like these are perfect for back to school. So I got her 6 of those, 1 for her to take every day of school, and then she can have 1 over the weekend. So today is Friday. Pancakes to make for breakfast, cotton balls, 2 packs of makeup wipes, Febreze, cotton rounds. Grecia wanted 2 things of glue so that she could keep making slime. Last thing I got were 2 of these VO5 conditioners, 2 of the shampoos, and I got them both strawberry scented, 1 for her bathroom and 1 for mine. And then I also got the watermelon shaving oil. If you guys don't use this, you definitely should. It leaves your legs so soft. You don't get like cuts or like razor burn or anything. And then I also got some more of the watermelon sugar scrub. I am obsessed with anything watermelon, you guys, like obsessed. Every time you guys eat pizza, buy these chilies. They're the hot chili peppers. I'm gonna eat them out of this because we had In-N-Out the other day. But you guys, eat the pizza with some of these chilies. Oh my god.
And what we're drinking is my soda drink. And I've got this strawberry flavored sparkling water beverage.
We're gonna eat and then I'm gonna put everything away. And then in the freezer, we have all of the frozen stuff that we just bought right here. And then we have individually packaged meats right here. So we have a bunch of ground beef, bacon, chuck roast, chicken strips, chicken nuggets that are frozen. A couple hours have gone by already. We are currently in Grecia's room, but I just placed an order for her for a bunch of clothes. She is outgrowing a lot of stuff, and it's supposed to get really cold here this coming week, like in the 30s, and we're not used to that kind of weather. She has like some winter clothes, but not a whole bunch of it. So I just placed a giant order for her. It should be here next week sometime. She's currently in there already doing some stuff. I don't know what she's doing in there, but she's doing something. I'm just gonna get in there, sort it out, clean it out, like get rid of the stuff that she doesn't wear, and just like organize her clothes. If I don't do it, this girl just does not, like, she won't touch her stuff, and I'm trying to teach her to become responsible and organized. She wants to show you guys a tour of her closet, which is very dirty and messy and dusty and unorganized.
I thought her actual teeth on me. That was sharp. It was like a sharp teeth. Her teeth is like a raccoon.
Right here are all of the jeans. A lot of them are not here because they're in the washer, but I want to separate like her shorts, her jeans, her dresses, her jackets. Over here she's got mostly like her school clothes, so I want to separate the short sleeve shirts, the long sleeve, and then the sweaters and jackets and stuff all to one side. So this is where she spends most of her time chilling. Like literally she will spend all day in her closet if I let her. I don't know if it's because, I mean, it's so big and we've never had like the extra space like this, so she just loves being in here by herself doing her own thing.
I'm sorry, I have balloons in here because I was partying with my little baby doll. And
That mirror back there is a mirror to her dresser from her room, and then she has all of her like
so
baby stuff.
this is where my baby sleeps. I have this cute little baby bottle for my baby doll. I have like medicine.
That was a gift for Christmas.
Yes, it was by my mom and dad.
And then the reason there's balloons everywhere is because we just celebrated her 8th birthday last week. And so she thought it would be such a fun idea to put all the balloons in her closet. But like I said, we are going to be cleaning her closet today, just to get it like fresh for when school starts in a couple days.
Don't do it like that. Pop it.
No, I'm scared to pop it. And that's what I'm scared of. So that other door just leads to her bathroom. Now I'm just gonna organize her clothes really quick and pretty much call it a day because it's already 4:30 and we're not gonna do much. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, our little comeback vlog, but there will be a lot more to come. If you guys don't mind liking this video, sharing with your family, your friends, subscribing so that the family keeps on growing, and we will see you guys so much in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.